Welcome from my tiny kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this week's video on how to make this really easy, quick and flavorful no yeast bread recipe. These are the ingredients you would need. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Into a large mixing bowl, add in self-raising flour, grated cheese, the soup powder, salt, and then a quick mix to evenly distribute the ingredients. When ready, add in the buttermilk and mix together to form a shaggy dough. A shaggy dough is a lumpy yet well mixed dough with not a lot of lumps of flour. Scoop out the sticky dough into a 22 cm prepared baking loaf tin. Flatten and then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes or until an inserted knife comes out clean. When the loaf is ready, carefully turn it over and remove the baking paper. If possible, leave the loaf to cool for about 10 minutes before cutting in and relishing. I really hope you enjoyed this no yeast, no knead bread recipe. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos. See you next time.